Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh fruit agar-agar. We are going to use agar and konjac powder. The dessert is not only pretty, but is low fat and low calorie. Konjac powder and agar are both plant-based, so this dessert is suitable for vegetarians. Click on descriptions for a complete list of ingredients and instructions. 喺注釋裏面有中文食譜。So we need to boil water to melt agar, konjac powder, and sugar first. Boil almond milk and water to melt agar, konjac powder, and sugar for the almond agar. Add almond flavoring. Cook mixture at medium-low heat. Use strainer to sieve the mixture. I'm using a Bundt pan for making the agar this time. Pour about 50 grams of clear agar liquid into the Bundt pan first. Place strawberry halves and thicker peach slices alternatively. Then pour about 150 grams of clear agar liquid to cover the fruits. Take about 5 minutes for the agar to set. Use a fan to speed up the drying. So we now boil almond milk with water to melt the other portion of konjac powder, agar, and sugar. Make sure the clear agar is set before pouring in about 180 grams of almond agar. Use a fan to blow dry. We boil agar liquid before pouring it in. Place kiwi slices on top of the almond agar. Pour in about 200 grams of clear agar liquid to cover the kiwi. We boil almond agar liquid and pour in about 200 grams on top of the clear agar. Place thin slices of peach. Boil clear agar liquid again and pour in about 200 grams. To cover the peaches, blow dry with fan. Boil almond agar liquid again. Pour in about 220 grams. Blow dry again. Add pineapple slices. Boil agar liquid, then add on and blow dry. Boil almond agar liquid, then repeat the process. Add strawberry slices. Boil clear agar liquid and cover the strawberry slices with it. Refrigerate overnight. Poke a few toothpicks between agar and container. Then run a spatula along the side of the container and flip the agar out to serve. Enjoy this yummy and pretty fresh fruit agar dessert.